Recently I got several requests to do some breakfast bread rolls, savory ones as in bakeries. So I thought of doing a bakery style bacon and egg roll recipe for you all. For that recipe I am using 500 grams bread flour with 7 grams yeast and quarter teaspoon of bread improver. Actually this is optional, but the temperature here is really cold, so I thought of adding a little bit of bread improver, as I had to wait longer time to prove my bread. So I'm using 60 grams butter, 1 egg, 20 grams sugar and 3 grams salt and 230 milliliters water. Then for the filling I'm using some boiled eggs and bacon. Either you can use raw bacon or either you can fry it a little bit in a pan to use in. So prepare the eggs boiled and fry the bacon, and I'm going to show you how to do the bread roll. Into the mixing bowl add the bread flour, and into that add the bread improver and the yeast. If you want to buy the bread improver, it's always available in the bread aisle of in your supermarket. And the sugar. Then add 1 egg and start mixing, adding water little by little until it becomes a smooth dough, and keep on kneading 8 minutes. While kneading, add the salt and keep on kneading. So after add the butter and keep on kneading another 20 minutes. Always make sure that if you want a good quality bread roll, you need to knead the dough at least 25 minutes. So I was kneading this dough about nearly 25 minutes. So it's ready. I'm going to take it out and put it in a greased bowl. Make sure that you leave it in a warm place until it doubles in size. The dough for the bacon and egg roll is ready. So I'm going to punch it down and put it into a floured bench. So after, cut the dough into equal size pieces. If you like bigger buns, you can cut it into larger pieces, or if you like small buns, you can always cut it into small pieces and make balls out from that, and leave it again to prove about 10 minutes on the bench top. So I left the dough about 10 minutes and I'm going to take them out and leaving one piece, push it down and roll it to an oval shape. Use flour if it is a sticky. This is a sticky dough, so use more flour. And after, take one piece of bacon. So after, cut the egg into 2 and put half on the dough like this, and roll it again from one end to the other like this, and roll it again using your palm to shape it and close the edges nicely, and leave it again on a tray to prove until it doubles in size. So the bread rolls are ready. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius and brush the tops with eggs. So I brush the tops with eggs, and take a knife or your kitchen shears and put a cut on the top and bake this on 180 about 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. So the egg and bacon rolls are ready. If you want to do this in the morning, you can always leave this leave the dough without proving and take it later in the morning. So this is how it looks like, and hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.